Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an uploaded video on YouTube. To start, please log into your YouTube account from a desktop computer, not a mobile device, as this process is easiest there. Once logged in, click your profile picture, found in the top right corner of your screen, then select YouTube Studio from the options presented. This action will take you directly to your main creator dashboard, where all your content management tools reside. After reaching your YouTube Studio dashboard, look for the Content option on the left-hand side menu. Click on Content to display a comprehensive list of all your uploaded videos. If you have hundreds of videos, using the search bar at the top or applying specific filters, such as visibility or date uploaded, can help you quickly pinpoint the exact video you wish to remove. This step ensures you select the correct item for deletion. Once you have located the specific video you intend to remove, gently hover your mouse cursor over its entry in the content list. A small menu of icons will appear, including the crucial 3 vertical dots representing more options. Click on these 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will materialize before you. From this list, carefully select the option labeled Delete Forever. This action initiates the final stage of removal. After selecting Delete Forever, a critical confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This window explicitly warns you that deleting a video is a permanent action, and you cannot recover it later. Read the warning carefully, then check the small box to confirm you understand its irreversible nature. Finally, click the prominent Delete Forever button again to permanently remove your video from YouTube. Always double-check your selection to avoid accidental deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.